Hello, Jason here. Today is June 9th, and this is your aftermarket update. So again, we had a very nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, we have had a very nice 3 weeks here. We've 2 losing days and 3 trading weeks, entering into our 4th trading week here. And it has been, like I said, very, very nice here, and today was no exception. Yesterday, if you watched the videos yesterday, you saw that you heard me say we battled all day, and I was a trade away from hitting the max number of losers that I would hit in a day, and we were just walked right up to that line, and then the market finally opened up for us, and we got 230 ticks on 2 OTG trades, which was really nice. By contrast, today we were one and done. We got into our trade, we got out of our trade, and our trading day here lasted about 15 minutes. These are the preferable ways to go, right? You hit 100 plus ticks in 15 minutes and you're out of the market, you're safe, your powder's dry, and you were able to live to fight another day with a nice chunk of ticks in your pocket. Let's talk about what happened here today. This was all driven based on your OTG trade plan. And so if you take a look here at line item number 7 on the higher time frame study, line item number 7, 8:03 a.m., we were projecting this time frame to be long. When you listen to the OTG Trade of the Day video, you're going to hear me count down 10 seconds. I'm going to be looking to get in. Then I place an order on the chart, and I say I'm looking at 54, 53, 52 in this area, and then I get in. If that's all you saw, you might think it was a little fast. But when you take a look at the trade plan here, this trade plan was put out yesterday at about 7 p.m. Central Time. So a full 13 hours ahead, we were able to give you the time that we expected the move to occur, right? So if you listen and watch the video, you may think that, man, I wouldn't have had enough time to get ready. But in reality, this trade plan came out yesterday 13 hours prior to the actual time that we were expecting to get into that trade. So that's obviously ample time for you to be able to get ready for the open of that 803 bar. So let's take a look at your chart here. If you go right here to your 803 and you grab this arrow, that was this area right here. That was this line right here, that square, not the triangle rather. I put these triangles on here manually. These are not auto drawn, but I put these on here manually for the sake of illustration. It was 8:03. So if you look down here at the bar, this is actually 8:04 bar. Let me move this over one. It actually was right here. That's the 8:03 bar that we were expecting to move. Right there at 8:03. And the market comes down just a little bit, gave us a little bit of heat, and then boom, it went up. I want you to take a look here on your smaller time frame study at line item number 20. We expected the market to pause and get short right there at 8:20. That's this dot up here. So if you can see down there at the bottom of the chart, that says 8:20. And our target was right here in this minor resistance area. So again, this would have you could have gotten short at this area up here. We did not. I took 2 off. I was in at 53 long. I took 2 off at 73. That's 20 ticks a contract for 40 ticks. And then I went from 53, and I ended up getting out, even though my target was 88, I ended up pulling the trigger on it at 85. So that was 32 ticks times 2 is 64, plus 40 is 104. So it was a 104 tick OTG trade of the day, and it happened very quickly for us this morning. We knew these time frames were coming well in advance, 13 hours in advance. Once the market got in, we did get that move very, very quickly and on up to our target. So that's really all there is to say about today's trading. I am going to let you watch the OTG trade of the day. It is 14 minutes long. And so without further ado, here is the OTG trade of the day. 10 seconds. I'm going to be looking long. I'm going to go ahead and put an order on the chart here at 51, 52, 53. I'm going to getting long right in this area right here, the open of that bar. I'm in long at 53. Stop is 33. And the final 2 targets are up here at 88. Okay, so I'm in. First target is 68. It'll go to break even at 63. This is your time frame right here. Move. We're expecting a move on this time frame, we're expecting that move to be to the long side. So I'm actually going to go to 73 on the first target. I think we're going to get up to it. So I'm going to take 73 on the first target. Technically, your stop should be at 23, but I'm not going to go that high with it. I'm going to stay below the 39 level. So first target 73 up here. And we'll see. All right, so as I look here at the order book here, we are rotational around this 50 level, the 1.27% range extension at 47. We want to stay above the daily structure signal market maker level over here, which is the chart on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Double top at the high up there at 60. I think we'll get through it, but we'll see. Some shorts here at 49 on an iceberg order, but we're okay. 60 is the high. 63 is where this thing will go to auto break even at 63. And you have 39 as the point of control. It's also our support level. Technically, the stop should be here at 26. But I'm not going that high with it. I'm not going that tall on the stop, although in order to be within the plan, I'm just going to leave it where it is. 73, 2 off at 73, and the remaining off at 88. And we have some resistance points along the path here. One at 73 is the one that's the most formidable at the moment. Okay, this is your time frame for a projection. The projected time frame for the long is right here. It's supposed to last. We should last this until 8:20 a.m. this morning. That's the projected time frame. We get to 63 and stop. Sorry, we get to 63, it'll go auto break even. 88 is your final target. So we'll see what we do up here against the high. You've got an iceberg order protecting a little bit up here at 57. So we do need to get through the 56, 57 level. There's 58. Let's go test the high. 59. Get up through 60, 61 here. Okay, we got the 59. Double top in the high here. Daily structure target is 01 up there. Now that we're above the structure signal here on your OTG market maker levels, there's 59. We need to get through and test the high. Still no takers at the high yet on the offer. Still have an iceberg order at 59 right now. Still have an iceberg at 59. Not interested in double topping the high. That's for sure. You'd like to see this bar close above that previous high of 56 in the next 3 minutes. So you'd like to gain some acceptance above that previous high of 56 in the next 3 or so minutes. So there's 57, 58. I think we're going to challenge the high again. There we go. All right, your auto break even now. First target up there to 73. First target is 73 up here. That would have been 68 would have been first target. It's 15 ticks normally. 70 127 limit order short at 70 up here. I think we're going to go to the next step on your OTG support and resistance levels up there at 88. First target here is 73, 20 ticks. Hopefully I didn't screw it up. Normally your first target is 15 ticks. I do believe we're going to get to 88, which is why I expanded that first target a little bit. Hopefully, like I said, I didn't screw it up. 136 short at 70. If we get up to that 70 and can't get through it, I'm going to grab the target and drag it down. So just understand that. If we get up to that 70 and we can't get the push to get through it, I'm going to drag that target down to just take it out. So that's what I'm doing. If we get up there, we can't get through 70. Highs up there at 68. 138, limit order short at 70 right now. 138, limit order short at 70. So we're looking for that next push here. There's 67, 135, limit order short at 70. Need a little bit of a push. The euro coming in off of its lows. Dollar is coming down off of its highs. R2 is up there at 68. And 69 is the R2 today. Okay, there's 67. Like I said, I'm going to grab this and take it out if it gets to 70 and can't get through it. I'm just going to pull it down out of the way. You have a nice iceberg providing support at 66. There's 69. Like I said, I want it to touch 70 here. $134 limit order short at 70 up there. 136, then another big chunk at 71. There's 68, 69. I think we're going to get through it. 137 at 70. There's 69. 132, limit order short at 70. Okay, there's your first target out at 73. Next target is 88. 202 up there at 80. I'm going to bring this trail stop up here to 58. Break even plus 5 here to 58. 203 limit order short at 80. I do think we'll get up to that 88 level. Okay, I do think we'll get up to 88. There's 78, 79. Let's go ahead and go to 68 on the trail stop. There's 83. There's 83. I'm a little concerned now at 83. That 83 held. I think we'll get to 88. Stop here is break even plus 10 at 63 right now. A little concerned. I think we're going to make it up there, especially if we could close above 73 here. I'm break even plus 10 to 63. All right, Jim, thanks for sharing that. Good stuff. Did you flip your short around, Najmul? I'm assuming it got you. Did you flip it around and get long, or are you sitting this one out? Nice, Bob. Sweet, dude. Good for you. That is fantastic. You know what? Bring that trail stop out of the way. I'm going to bring that down out of the way here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm supposed to hang on to this to break even, so I'm bringing that trail stop. I don't want to get taken out here and then have it end up at my I don't want to have it come back and take me out and then have it end up going up to my target up there. So 106 limit order short at 75. I want to see if we can make it back up. Let's go ahead and bring it to 58. Sorry, I have the hiccups. 58 on the trail stop. Well, it sounds like you're doing good. All right. We should push up into the 820 time frame. And it's at the 820 time frame that there is another short on the chart, but I won't take that short. I'm expecting it to line up here with this 88. That's another time frame is a short up there at 88, but I will not take that because if I end up there at 88, I would be up 110 ticks on the day in one trade. So I would not take that up there, although that's going to line up with a time frame likely. So we're expecting this long to last until the short at 820. This is line item number 20 on your trade plan. Again, just a reminder, the trade plan was put out yesterday. Basically, you had about 12 hours to get ready for the 8:03 a.m. long. So you had about 12 hours to get ready for that. Good, Alan. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, yeah. If you keep doing what you're doing, you'll definitely get into live prep. Daily structure target on your market maker levels is out there at 60.01. We should touch that. We should get up to 01. If you wanted to be a bit more aggressive and move that final, take one off at 88 and move that final one up to 01, you could do that. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to just take it all off up there at 88 if we get there. If we get there. So I'm expecting it to pick up the pace here into the 820 time frame. I'm expecting it to pick up the pace here. Dave St. C out flat 60 ticks. That's awesome. Okay, we got to get through 75, 76. We're going to go take out that target at 88. I'm pretty sure of that. 63 is the trail stop now. There's 77. There's 82, 83. That's the high again. Bring that trail stop now to 68. Because if it comes back, there's 78, 79. 105 limit order short at 85. That's the level that Jim was just talking about. So there's 81, 82. Bring it to 73 here on the trail stop. Let's see if we could pop through these levels here. There's 85, 86. Come on, 85. Get through 86, 87. All right, that's close enough out at 85 here. That's close enough. Out at 85. All right, so these, again, you can see very quick move. Pulled it down just a little bit. Pulled that stop back just a little bit. Wasn't going to get stopped out before we made it up to our target. Ended up making it all the way up to our target in about 15 minutes. So we were one and done today, and these are my favorite types of trading days. That's stuff that we do, that we have to do on occasion, battle the market because it's slow, sluggish, etc. There's plenty of those days, so when you get a day like this, it's really nice to be in and out very quickly. So, again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending the time watching and participating here with the material at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trade.